During the holidays, so many of us send cards to our family, friends, and loved ones. But wouldn't it be cool if those cards could also be used for Christmas decor? Hi, I'm Cheryl, and in this class I'm going to show you a way to turn your cards into Christmas decor with Luminary cards. Each one of the cards created in this class has a section that is just vellum. So when we go and put a battery operated tea light in it, it starts to glow. Now I only have the tea light in the center one right now, simply to show you the difference between the two, as well as the fact that all of our local stores are sold out of battery operated tea lights. So once you put the card over the tea light, the vellum piece starts to glow. So it's a great way to have interactive cards that also double as holiday decor. In the class, I'll be showing you a unique way of using your dies to create these Luminary cards. The class also comes with a supply list. I will list each one of the cards with pictures, as well as all the supplies that are used to make those cards, and link those supplies to where you can find them if you don't have a local source. One thing to note, these are only created to go over battery operated tea lights. They are not intended to go over tea lights with an open flame, simply because fire and paper don't mix, and it's a sure way to have a really bad night, start a fire, and meet your local fire department. So let's start creating.